I'm Darby Harper. Are you sitting down for this? I see dead people. I help them pass on to the next realm. You'd think that'd be my life's biggest burden, but it is a distant second to where I am forced to spend my days. High school. That's Capri Donahue, head cheerleader.
Isn't cheer just for shallow, hot girls?
I'm so glad you asked. And the answer is, that's offensive.
Capri knows I'm the one person she can't get to like her.
Darby, I forgot you went here.
Capri, give me my clothes.
Why would I take your clothes? I'm not planning on attending a funeral.
She can be a little extra sometimes.
Extra psychotic.
I'm reporting live from Frederick Douglass High School, where yesterday students witnessed the shocking death of head cheerleader Capri Donahue.
Wake up!
Wake up, bitch. Oh, God damn it.
You can see me.
What are you doing here?
My sweet 17 is coming up in a month. All I want is this party. Help me. And then I'll move on.
In what world do you think I can throw your dream party?
In a world where I make you popular enough to do it. Who is that? I want her, but...
Any press is good press.
Seeing a dead person
Hi, bitch.
is a very traumatic experience.
You look like you've just seen a ghost.
This is criminal bullying.
I think it's criminally good haunting.